I've been bald, my hair was once short, and eventually my hair started growing thicker, longer, and much healthier. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how I made these simple hair care products, and you too can make that in the comfort of your home. There are two ways you can formulate this hair growth butter, but in today's video, I'm going to be showing you one of the ways you can make them in the comfort of your home. Welcome. If you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Let's get this show started. For the first method of formulating this hair care product, we'll be needing clove and rosemary, and clove is the most important ingredient we need actually. So we're going to be grinding clove into powder form, of which is on this other side of the tray. So as you can see, this is what clove looks like. Just in case you haven't seen clove or you haven't heard of clove, clove is an ingredient, a food spice that can also be used to promote hair growth. Clove is also rich in eugenol, a compound known for its stimulating properties. Clove can promote blood circulation in the scalp. And in case you do not know, improved blood flow means better nutrient delivery to the hair follicles, which in turn encourage healthy hair growth. So clove is very good for promoting hair growth, just in case you haven't tried clove. And if you have tried clove and you complain that the clove water gives you headache or the clove oil doesn't work for you, then please give this a try. Then we're going to be also be needing rosemary leaf. Rosemary leaf has good properties, nutrients that can literally elevate your scalp and hair. It can take your hair to another level just by being consistent with using rosemary leaves in form of hairspray, hair butter, just like the one we're about to do in this video. We're also going to be needing shea butter and cocoa butter. Please, if you have only shea butter, you can go ahead and use it. Then we'll be needing a stainless bowl. We don't want to use plastic when mixing our butter. Then we'll be needing oil. Please use oils of your choice. In that container, I have different oil mixtures in there. Then this is emulsifying wax. Emulsifying wax is a conditioning agent. Emulsifying wax leaves soft and non-greasy feels on the hair when you're done applying it on your hair. Next on the line is fresh aloe vera. We'll be needing this to enable our hair to stay conditioned, because in case you do not know, fresh aloe vera has its own properties for promoting hair growth and also for conditioning your hair. But if you don't have fresh aloe vera and emulsifying wax, please skip the process. So I'm putting the fresh aloe vera inside water so that the toxin or the latex that comes with the aloe vera will wear off. I've already measured all the ingredients that I'm about to use in this video. That's why I don't want to waste anybody's time, but you can literally eyeball your measurements just in case you want to give this a try. So as for the shea butter and cocoa butter, I've made mixture of them inside this bowl, inside the white bowl, before transferring it inside my stainless bowl. The shea butter is bigger than the cocoa butter. Okay, so I am going to pour everything inside, then pour in my emulsifying wax. Then next on the line is cetyl alcohol. I literally forgot to mention this earlier. The essence of using cetyl alcohol is because we are going to be mixing oil and water. The water is the fresh aloe vera, because aloe vera is water. The cetyl alcohol to combine the water and oil together. Then I'm going to pour in my oil. You can use olive oil, coconut oil, almond oil, black castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil, argan oil, and so on. I have in there about 8 different types of oil, including essential oils. Next, you are going to pour in your clove powder into the bowl. Please make sure you blend the clove. Don't put your clove like that inside the bowl, because the nutrients are not going to be released. So make sure to blend it. You pour into clove, then put a little bit of fresh rosemary leaf or dry rosemary leaf. Okay, now next on the line is to allow this to melt using double boiler method. Please don't use direct heat to melt your mixture or to infuse your mixture, please, because you're going to kill all the nutrients. So as you can see, I have a big pot that I usually use to do the double boiler method. So I'm going to put this on my gas cooker, then put the bowl inside the pot. Okay, as the water is heating up, it's going to be melting the shea butter and also allow the clove and the rosemary, the emulsifying wax, everything to infuse properly so that the nutrients to be released inside the oil mixture. So we're going to leave this to heat up for 30 to 40 minutes, okay, so that everything will be properly infused. As you can see, everything has melted, but I want to make sure that the whole mixture has come together, everything is well infused. Bring it down and allow it to cool down a little bit before straining out the oil, because we don't need the rosemary leaf to be inside our oil. So as you can see, I'm using a white cloth. You can use Wivon cap, anything that can separate the rosemary and the oil. In case you do not know, I offer hair care class where I teach people how to make hair care products and also how to take care of their natural hair. So if you want to join my class, please send a DM via WhatsApp at 090-5184-6475 or on Instagram at Brenda Okolocha. I will respond to you as soon as possible. There is beginners class, advanced class, and one-on-one class. Okay, so send me a DM depending on the one you want to register for, and I'll tell you every details, every information you want to know concerning the classes. So guys, please subscribe also if you are new here. Let's get this channel to 10,000 subscribers. Okay, thank you so much. Then after straining out the oil mixture, the next thing you're going to be doing is to blend the fresh aloe vera, and we're going to be removing the bark. We just need the aloe vera juice. So in case you do not know, aloe vera is also known as a humectant that draws moisture into the hair. Okay, what we need in our hair is not just a shea butter. We need to retain moisture, which is where the aloe vera comes in, and that's why I'm using aloe vera to show you all how to make this first method of formulating clove hair growth butter. In case you don't have aloe vera, please, you can also skip this process, but if you have it, it's a good idea to use aloe vera. So as you can see, everything is set. It's now time to mix it, but of course we're not going to be using this stick or a turning spoon to mix the butter. We need a mixer. Okay, please, if you have a mixing machine, you have to make use of it. That is what will actually ease the process of mixing the entire butter together. So I'm going to keep on whisking this until it thickens up. Guys, after putting this butter on your hair, I promise you, your hair will stay moisturized, hydrated. You can also put this hair butter on your scalp to promote hair growth. Like I said, this butter is packed with lots and lots of nutrients. Obviously you can see it from the onstart how I started putting everything together, from the hair growth oils, the clove, the shea butter, the cocoa butter, the rosemary leaf, and the fresh aloe vera. If you have store-bought aloe vera, you can make use of it as well, but of course, you know, the fresh aloe vera is always better. So when the whole mixture has thickened up a little bit, then you start pouring in the fresh aloe vera and you keep on mixing. Again, you have to keep on mixing, whisking it until it thickens up, until it comes to a very thick consistency. Then you can give it a pause, and you have to add the preservative. Yeah, of course, if you are mixing oil and water, you have to put preservative inside, but if it's only oil and the shea butter, then there's no need of using preservative. You can literally just use vitamin E oil to preserve it. You can see our butter is almost ready. Okay, it's almost ready, guys. I feel like licking this water from the screen, but this is meant for hair and not edible because of the aloe vera that's in there, and the other things that I've added in there, the emulsifying wax and cetyl alcohol. So you can see it's almost ready. Next thing I'm going to be putting is the preservative. I'm going to leave the name on the screen, and we're going to put in little quantity of it. The other one is the scent. Okay, a cup of the preservative is enough for this measurement of hair butter. After putting the preservative, the next thing is to put in the scent to change the smell of the entire product. When you are done putting it, the scent is optional, okay, but if you are comfortable with this, the smell of the clove and everything, you can leave your butter like that. There's no need of putting in the scent. But if you don't want the smell, then you can put in the scent. The scent I put inside my own is banana and strawberry scent mixed together. So guys, if you want to order this clove butter, you can send me a DM via Instagram or via WhatsApp. The number will be on the screen, and give it a try, make yours, and let me know how it goes. If you want to register for my class, my hair care class, you are welcome. Just send me a DM also. Guys, the butter is ready and it's good to go. All you just need is to apply this on your hair. But first of all, before applying this on your hair, make sure to hydrate your hair with water. Sprinkle a little water on your hair, then you apply the butter on your hair as well. Do well to subscribe to my channel. See you guys later. Bye bye.